There is no greater indication of how important the Tiguan is to Volkswagen than the brand's sales of more than 7.5 million vehicles in just 2 years. In addition, this is the reason why the German firm has revised the recipe for this all-new, third-year Volkswagen Tiguan SUV with new engine options, further developed innovations, more space and common sense and a more precise layout. A smaller crossover with shockingly large interior space, the Tiguan carries sharp styling and surprising agility for a tight, serious class. The Tiguan's rich exterior lines echo the larger Volkswagen Atlas book and even pricey Audi and BMW crossovers. Interior, comfort and value. The Tiguan's interior is a prime example of compromise. One of the main models in the segment with an optional third column, the legroom is gradually compressed towards the front and second row compared to most competitors. In actual use, however, the cabin feels spacious, and none of our drivers were dissatisfied. Note that Tigans equipped with 4-motion all-wheel drive do not have a third row, while passengers in the second column gain about 2 extra legroom. In any case, the interior design is simple, utilitarian, but not particularly attractive. The base Tiguan comes standard with 6-way physically customizable heated front seats with material upholstery. Among various overhauls, the SE adds a power-adjustable driver's seat and faux calf leather upholstery. More expensive versions can be opted for with a full-power passenger seat, cowhide upholstery and an all-encompassing sunroof. Cargo space behind the third pillar is limited to just 12 cubic feet, a fraction of a cubic foot, not the Corvette C8's storage compartment. Fortunately, this third row effectively matches the level and offers about 33 cubic meters of available cargo space, which is mid-segment. The base Tiguan S gets an 8.0-inch computerized cluster display and a 6.5-inch infotainment touchscreen. The SE trim or higher gets an 8.0-inch touchscreen that gets remote Apple CarPlay and Android Auto accessibility, unlike the wired standard setup. Higher-end trims get a 10.3-inch fully computerized gauges display. 2 rows of seats are equipped with USB-C charging ports, and a remote charging pad is now standard. An available 9-speaker Fender premium sound frame is available as a redesign over the standard 6-speaker arrangement. The cost of the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan begins at $29,855 and goes up to $39,855 relying upon the trim and choices. Performance and MPGs. The 2024 Tiguan is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged i4 engine that makes 184 horsepower and 221 pounds-to-foot. It connects to an 8-speed programmed transmission with forward standard and Volkswagen's 4-motion AWD framework available as an alternative. In Motor Trend testing, the forward Tiguan sprinted from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 8.1 seconds, 8.6 seconds is required for the AWD model. Efficiency for the 2024 Tiguan was 23 to 24, 30 to 31 miles per gallon city/highway for forward models and 22/29 of a mile per gallon for AWD models. Small SUVs with an available third row, and they're always less than the Tiguan's price. The Kia Sorento is our top pick. It is slightly longer, the additional column is slightly wider and more functional. The base engine is lazy, but the turbo has it. The recently updated Mitsubishi Outlander is polished and affordable, and offers a plug-in hybrid module. More expensive options include the Land Rover Discovery and the Mercedes-Benz GLB. If the third column doesn't matter, the Honda CR-V, Hyundai Tucson and Mazda CX-50 are alternatives, and the choice is yours.